Hello, in this video I will create such pyramid font stand. It's very simple, minimalistic style pyramid. It consists from 4 simple sketches and 2 additive loft operations. So let's get started. Let's create parametric part. So I will create 4 sketches and then we'll work with them. First sketch, XY plane. I will create rectangle, 70 millimeters and 50 millimeters height. Right click and click this point, center point, and symmetric constraint. Close. First sketch, I will rename it big rectangle. Second sketch, also rectangle, also on XY plane, but smaller. I will mark this side as geometry, external geometry. So let's create also rectangle, 25 millimeters per 50. Okay, it's fully constrained. Now I'll create 2 lines. Here big one, and on this side I will create small line. So first rename this sketch small rectangle. Next sketch, XZ plane. So one line, it will be 90 millimeters and 90 degrees. Okay, so one big line, I name it big line, and the last sketch also XZ plane. I used to work in gesture navigation style, but sometimes I use Blender. For example, now I need to rotate the view. So geometry, external geometry, and create one simple line from this point, 25 millimeters, 90 degrees. Okay, come back to gesture navigation style, close. So I have 4 sketches. Rename it small line. Now I will work with these sketches. First I select big rectangle and go additive loft. Now add section. I add this point and we have first pyramid. Then I will choose small rectangle, again additive loft, add section, and add this point. We have another pyramid. That's it. Very simple, but at the same time very elegant, minimalistic style pyramid font stand.